Hello guys, my name is Pushkar. In this tutorial we are going to see how to use the RMAN command line tool. RMAN stands for Recovery Manager. Well guys, RMAN, you can see the name already specifies the Recovery Manager. You can recover the database files, archive log files through this command line tool. Now you can run the RMAN tool in two modes, catalog mode and no catalog mode. Well, in catalog mode, all the changes made to RMAN are kept in the database files, where in no catalog mode, all the changes made are is being affected to the control files. Well, I would definitely prefer the catalog mode because the size of data files can be increased and no catalog mode, and if you prefer no catalog mode, then the size of the control files will get very big, and all the initialization process may take a very long to execute. So I will just show you how to start the RMAN in no catalog mode and catalog mode. Then we will go to the RMAN configuration tool. Then we will register the database with the help of our RMAN tool. Then we will just run few RMAN basic commands like backup, recover and everything. Well, so here I am here to set the Oracle SID, default Oracle SID, set Oracle SID is equal to, in my case it is ORCL, this will be my default database. Now here I am launching the RMAN in no catalog mode. I am writing an RMAN no catalog and you will write target. Now this target specifies which database you are trying to target. In this case it will automatically target the database which is set as default. In my case it is Oracle SID. As you can see, it says connected to target database ORCL using target database control file instead of recovery catalog. As I said that in no catalog mode it uses the control file to make changes to record all the changes made. In the above statement, this backslash means that you are using the operating system authentication. If you want to use any username or password, suppose at HR, or you can use whatever username you want to create, then you specify the username and password instead of the backslash. Well, now once we are connected to the RMAN in no catalog mode, well, most of the company prefers, or in the real-time scenario everyone prefers to perform all the recovery or restore transactions in catalog mode. So we will also perform the same in the catalog mode. All the things which I am going to perform in the catalog mode, you can also do it in no catalog. So let's quit from here, and now I am going to connect to our SQL plus / sysdba. Okay, it seems connected. Well, to perform the recovery or to run the RMAN in no recovery, in no let's say in catalog mode, it would be a very good decision that we have a database dedicated to the RMAN command. So right now I'm just creating a simple database by running the dbca command. Okay, here we go. I'm creating a recovery man database. The SID is RECman same. It is not essential to configure the database in enterprise mode because we are just getting to run the RMAN. Well, let it be. Definitely I'm going to mention the password. Okay, it will be a file system. We will be enabling the archiving here. You can see the archiving mode parameters by default: ARC, sent, recover time. Let's run it. We don't need any sample schemas here. there is no need because this is a RMAN dedicated database, so we are not using it for the general purposes or running or storing any transactions. Okay, everything sounds fine. Let's do next, create database, finish. Okay, well, okay, our database creation is completed here. Now let's connect it. Okay, now I'm going to connect to my database. I'm going to set my default Oracle underscore SID is equal to recovery man. Fine, now I'm going to connect SQL plus /sysdba. Here this backslash means simply the OS authentication. Okay, now to perform all the RMAN tasks with this recovery manager of our RMAN dedicated database, we are going to create a user. Create user recover identified by recommend. We can get default table space users temporary table space temp. Well, it seems fine. Definitely user is created. Now we have to grant few roles to our user. We are going to grant resource and connect to our recover. We are going to grant, we have to grant that recovery catalog owner to recover, as definitely we are going to use RMAN in the catalog mode, so RMAN needs, so recover needs that recovery to create catalog. So to create a catalog, it needs the recovery catalog owner granted to the username from which we will be connecting. Okay, now definitely our recover user main will be writing all the changes in the default table space, so it would be wise to grant unlimited table space alter user recover quota unlimited on users table space. Fine. Okay, we are done here with the all the configuration thing. Now I'm going to show you how to connect to the RMAN tool in catalog mode and perform some recovery and set some RMAN configurations and register the database. Okay, well, now we quit. We now connect our RMAN tool in our catalog mode. So I am going to connect it RMAN catalog. We are going to use the user we just created, recover at the rate. I'm here. I will be connecting to the service name or database which I just created for performing RMAN specific tasks. RMAN dedicated, it was RACMAN, and now let's do it. Everything is fine. Now let's give it a password. It was the okay, it is connected. Now here basic infrastructure for the RMAN has been required to run the RMAN in the catalog mode, but all the tables required for RMAN has not yet been created. That's why we have granted that recovery catalog owner to the our recovery username. So now just let's create a create catalog. Okay, it's been taking a while. Well, now our recovery catalog is created. Now after the catalog has been created, we can see what all the tables or views required for the RMAN has been created. So now let's query what are the tables or views have been created. Okay, let's get back to our SQL environment. Here I exit the RMAN. We connect our SQL plus recover at the rate recover man. Well, it's asking for the password. Okay, now let's see what all the tables has been created. We will write select table underscore name from user underscore tables. Okay, I have just made a mistake here. Now run it. Okay, you can see this all the tables has been created by our create catalog command in the RMAN username. Now let's see what all the views has been created. Select view underscore name from user underscore views. Okay, this all the views has been created. Lots of views has been created. Well, here now all the view names and tables has been created in the RMAN, but the RMAN is not aware which of the database should back up and we should write it down. So now I'm going to register a database. Let's go to our RMAN command. I am quitting. Okay, now let's set our default Oracle SID to ORCL, because this will be the database I will be registering with the RMAN. Well, everything fine. Let's connect RMAN in a catalog mode using recover at the rate with the I'm using the recover username of recovery manager database which we just created for performing recovery manager, and now I'm going to connect this target database with OS level authentication. Okay, asking for password. Okay, now here I am going to register my Oracle ORCL database to our RMAN database. Here now my target database will simply register with RMAN with register database command. Okay, it says database registered in catalog mode, starting full resync of recovery catalog and full resync completed.